Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Bella, and in today's video I'm gonna show you my shower routine. It's a morning shower routine, and I'm using Delon's body wash, and this body wash, it smells absolutely so good and it leaves my skin so smooth. That's one thing I love about it, and it really hydrates my skin even if I don't put lotion. But this soap really hydrates my skin, and it gives me that glowy soft look, which I love. I really love. So if you want to see more about this video, how I do my morning shower routine, just keep on watching. And guys, as you're watching this video, go ahead, support my channel by subscribing to my channel and share this video with friends and family. The best way to help me keep doing what I'm doing and bringing this content to you guys. And like this video and comment, leave me the comment down below. I really love to to read you and respond to your question and concern that you have. So once I finish rinsing off the first body wash, I usually wash my body twice or three times at once, right? So once I finish my first time, I'm gonna go ahead and use body clean body wash by Neutrogena. I love it. Why? Because I told you guys that I used to have a lot of acne in my back, but using this soap really clear my acne, because I had it so much in the back, on my neck and everything. So since I've been using this body wash by Neutrogena, guys, all my dark spot in my back is gone, my acne is gone. So I love it. That's why I usually use it once in a while. I don't use it all the time. I just use it once in a while. So this is exactly what I am doing right now. So this is my second time washing my body, guys. I really take my time to in the shower, and usually I'll just put the music and I'm just dancing, singing in the shower, and I take time to really clean my body, and yeah, so when I get off the shower, my body is clean. It feels so good. I don't know, guys, something about water, it just feels good on my body. Once I finish cleaning off the soap, and I'm gonna go ahead and tap the towel on my body to dry out water. Yes, as you can see, that's exactly what I'm doing. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this amazing soap, this amazing lotion, Vaseline Advanced Repair. I love it. It smells so good, and it's very lightweight, right? It doesn't get me sweat. It feels really, really good on my skin. That's why I love it. And just after that, I go ahead and use Roberto Cavalier um, perfume. I love it so much. It's one of my favorites. As you can see, it's almost over. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.